You could always tell when old Tom Henderson was in trouble. Not because he'd tell anybody, he wouldn't. Not because he'd ask for help. He wouldn't do that either. No, you'd know because sometime around sunrise, pickup trucks would begin appearing in his driveway. One, then another, then another. Nobody sent out a text message. Nobody organized a committee. There wasn't a Facebook group. There wasn't even a phone tree. Yet somehow, people showed up. By noon, somebody would be under the tractor. Somebody else would be repairing fence. Someone's wife would bring sandwiches. And before sunset, whatever problem Tom had would somehow belong to half the county. Now, if you'd asked those people why they were there, none of them would have said they were defending democracy. None would have said they were strengthening civic institutions. Most would have looked at you like you'd lost your mind. They would have said, Tom needed help. And that's all. You know, years later, I read the first 3 words of the Constitution again. And for the first time, I realized the founders probably would have understood those people better than most of the experts talking about America today. Because America was never just a government. It was always a habit of showing up, a habit of carrying part of somebody else's burden. A habit so common that most Americans don't even notice when they're doing it. And maybe that's what those 3 words really mean. We, the people.